Hello friends! Today we're going to create videos like this using a very simple, AI-based website, and it's completely free. Watch until the end to enjoy the results. This is the website's main page. Search for this site on Google and type Easy Shorts AI. This page will appear, showing some amazing video results, and we'll try creating one like them. To get started, click on Try for Free. Here you can register with your email or use Gmail. I'll register with my Gmail. After signing up, you'll see this page. It's very simple. Let's create our own story. Here, choose how you want to write the story's text. You can either let the AI write it or write the scenes yourself. Choose the option that works best for you. I'll let the AI handle it. Now, write a script for the story. The website offers suggested titles if you don't have an idea. I already have an idea, and it shouldn't exceed 150 characters. Next, select the video language. The site provides multiple language options, and I'll choose English. Here, there's a selection of voices to narrate the story. Let's test them to see which is the best fit.
The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. This simple fact has been observed by humans for thousands of years.
In the heart of the city, there is a large park where people go to relax and enjoy nature. The park has a beautiful pond with ducks and swans.
I'll choose this voice. It sounds perfect for the story. The website also offers various styles for the story. It's amazing because all of these styles are free. I'll keep the default style. There are also text fonts that appear in the video, and there are quite a few options. I'll choose this font. The site offers options for sharing the video. The free trial allows you to send it via email, while the paid plan lets you send it by email or post it directly to YouTube or Instagram. I'll leave the setting as it is. Now, click Create Video and wait a few minutes until it's done. The video export is complete. Let's preview a portion.
In the lush green valleys of prehistoric Earth, dinosaurs roamed freely, basking under the sun. But one fateful day, a colossal beast emerged from the mountains, its roar echoing like thunder. The dinosaurs gathered in a grand assembly, their hearts pounding with fear and determination. Courage ignited, they devised a plan.
The result is really impressive. From here, you can edit any text in any scene of the story. You can also adjust the font and transitions, or change the font style as you wish. Here, you can change the voice of the narrator in the story. Finally, you can download the story by clicking Download. But now, let's watch the full story.
In the lush green valleys of prehistoric Earth, dinosaurs roamed freely, basking under the sun. But one fateful day, a colossal beast emerged from the mountains, its roar echoing like thunder. The dinosaurs gathered in a grand assembly, their hearts pounding with fear and determination. Courage ignited, they devised a plan to stand against this formidable foe. They approached the beast, fierce battle began, teeth clashed, and tails swung fiercely. Just when hope seemed lost, a united front of triceratops charged with unyielding strength. The giant beast stumbled but laughed deep. It wanted dominion over them all. In that moment of chaos, earth trembled and skies darkened. Change was imminent. They fought bravely. The winds of destiny shifted against them.
The final result is truly amazing. Lastly, let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to click the link button and subscribe to the channel. Take care and see you soon.